Guys, I'm back with a dip powder mani using Beetles Dip Powder. So I do have on my Luxie Nail Builder Gel, and then I have on 2 coats of Hollow Taco Pilly Base for easy removal. So the Beetles Dip Powder kit that I purchased off Amazon is the Sunflower Maze kit. Comes with 6 dip powders, and I'm just showing you the validity period of the kit. However, I've had dip powders longer than that that still work fine. And the box has the directions on the back, and it tells you what the package includes. So guys, actually, I didn't like Beetles Dip Powder at first, used it several times after the first time, and I do like their dip powders. I think it gives you a good variety for a great price. So these are the 6 colors that came in the kit. I swatched those using the liquids in the kit, which are the Beetles liquids, of course. And then the colors that I decided to use are the more darker yellow, the gold, and the brownish color. So hang out with me, guys, while I do this dip powder mani using this kit. The dip powder tray holder, whatever you want to call it, that I am using, I got that off Etsy from Dippin' 3D, but the shop has been closed for months. I think it's been closed for almost a year now. So I know there's other companies that make things similar, but I rarely use this thing now. But anyway, so it holds your dip powder, and I'm applying the base. The brush is stained because I did swatch do my swatch sticks with the base. And so of course, with anything, you want to apply your base in thin, even layers. I'm just using a pipette to apply my dip powder, and I'm using an orange wood stick to clean up any excess dip powder on the skin and in the cuticle area. And I use a pipette just because I don't want to dip my finger in the dip powder. I hate dipping. Sometimes you can't help it, especially when you're dealing with the glitter. So I find that a pipette works best. Each color requires a separate pipette, and they are disposable. And then I think someone asked me, are they reusable? No, because you can see that the dip powder stains the inside of the pipette, so you want to use one separately. You could use a salt spoon. You could do the pour over method and pour your dip powder over your nail into a cupcake liner, whatever works best for you. So before I go on with that second coat, I'm using a soft bristle toothbrush, and I'm brushing off excess dip powder before I go in with the second coat. Now, before you stick your base brush back into the bottle, you want to make sure that you wipe that off on a lint-free wipe or a paper towel, so that you don't, to avoid contaminating your base liquid with dip powder, because it will come ooey gooey. It will come like a caramel consistency if you accidentally contaminate your bottle. And so, yeah, and as far as longevity goes, I have a video that I'll try to link in the cards where I did a 14-day wear update. Because I use Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel, I cannot speak to the longevity of this dip powder because it pops off, or I'll pop it off the next day or a few days later. It'll just lift right on up off my nail, and I'll still have the builder gel intact. That just works for me because I found that when I was soaking my nails constantly in acetone, they just started to look real crazy. I can't even describe it. And if you look at some of my older videos when my nails were significantly shorter, they were so bad as far as the way they looked. They almost looked like they were starting to separate from my nail bed, and I was just doing too many manis, too many soaks in acetone. So that's just something. Some people can do it with no problems, but for me, I already have thin nails, so I wasn't going to continue to soak in acetone and damage my nails. So guys, I'm just going in with the second color. It almost reminds me of a cinnamon color to me, even though I guess it's brown. But this is kind of like a Thanksgiving mani or fall mani. It's not quite Christmas yet, even though we just had celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday. I'm doing this voiceover on Friday, but I recorded this video I think last week or week before last. But I was hoping to get it uploaded before now, but life happened and I just did not get a chance. But I'm uploading it, probably I will release it on Sunday for my Sunday upload. But I haven't introduced myself in a while. Hi guys, my name is Tish. I am not a nail technician. I am a nurse who loves to do my nails at home. So all opinions are based on me using these products at home as a nail DIYer. I like to keep things simple, so I don't do freehand nail art or anything like that because homegirl can't draw. Not to save my life or anything, I cannot draw. So I like to use stickers, foils. Lately I've been on a nail decal, water decal kick. I love water slide decals. I might love them more than foil. I don't know. They're running a close race with each other. But anyway, for my new subscribers and existing subscribers, welcome. I appreciate everybody. Even if you don't subscribe to my channel, you want to consider subscribing. I mean, it's free. Why not? But anyway, I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. You just don't know how much. I'm hoping to do a giveaway soon. I do have some Nail Addict gel polishes that I will be giving away soon, so you have to be subscribed to be entered in that giveaway. So guys, just hang out with me while I finish up this mani. When you're applying your glitter dip powders, you want to lay your finger flat in the powder, or you could pour the glitter powder, dip powder, over your nails into a cupcake liner or some type of disposable or reusable tray. I just, some people dip glitter. I don't dip glitter. I did that one time, I think last year at Christmas, man. I had some Rebels, really pretty red color, and I dipped instead of laying my finger flat, and it was so freaking bulky in combination with too much base. That was like one of the bulkiest manis I've had in a long time. But anyway, so I'm going in with the second coat of that glitter, and then I will go in with a partial third coat just to try to get some of the spots up on the top of my nail that are missing. Yeah, I love glitter. It's so pretty, but like I said, it's pretty and it's pretty disrespectful at the same doggone time. Like I said, glitter gets everywhere. Y'all know glitter gets everywhere. It's pretty but disrespectful. So I'm trying to debate, I know this is a fall themed mani, but I'm trying to debate how many Christmas manis I want to upload. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. But before I talk about that, I'm encapsulating that glitter nail in Beetles Dip Powder Clear, pretty good clear. But anyway, so I'm just debating on what I'm going to do regarding Christmas manis. I have a lot of Christmas stuff, but Beetles liquids. So some of you, I suffer from dip flu. Like if I don't wear my respirator, I have a problem. The next day I'm stuffy, chest hurts, coughing, sneezing. However, y'all, I found some truly odorless dip liquids on Etsy from Color My World Dips. My next mani, which will be a Christmas mani that I upload, I tried those liquids and without my respirator, and I was in heaven. I think I'm going to order some more today with it being Black Friday. But anyway, so I found they are truly odorless. And when I say truly odorless, they don't have that strong chemical smell like regular dip liquids do. And I know Sparkle & Co. makes a low scent. I know S&S has a Sunshine dip liquids that they use or that they have available. But these are truly odorless. They smell just like a mild fingernail polish. And when I say mild, y'all know nail polish can be very strong. It will light up the whole room. But these are truly odorless liquids. And I was in heaven, and I did a mani. Again, my next upload without wearing a respirator, and I didn't have any issues. So if you suffer from dip flu, you may want to give those a try. And I did purchase those with my own money and all that stuff. So, which I purchased most of my stuff with my own money. What am I talking about? Tripping. But anyway, y'all, so I'm going in activating these nails. I waited about 5 minutes. I filed and buffed off camera. Didn't really have that much to do. These applied rather thinly. Great. Except, my nails are kind of, that thumbnail, that thing's starting to curve to the left. Strong hook. But anyway, my nails are curvy, you know, wouldn't trade them for the world, even though I want to cut them down, but I don't know. But anyway, so after my filing and buffing, I cleaned my hands off the dust and stuff with water, went in, applied a coat of activator in preparation for dip powder top coat. So top coat is what allows your nails to dry nice and shiny. You want to apply 2 layers of that to each nail, and before you stick that top coat brush back into the bottle, you want to wipe it on a lint free paper towel or a wipe. I always use a trifold paper towel. I get them in a big old box off Amazon. I just cut them into 3 just to get more use out of that one paper towel. Okay, so y'all know I couldn't leave that as a tricolor mani without putting something on my nails. That's just not me. So I purchased these water slide decals from Poshy Nail Designs, you know, which those decals, like the fashion nail decals, you can get them from What's Up Nails. You can get them off Etsy. I forget where else I found them. And I think maybe Poshy is the last one that I found these fashion nail decals. So I cut it out as close as possible to the decal, sprayed it with water, and yes, I did do dip powder top coat on all my nails. I'm going in with Maniology sticky base coat. I do have a discount code for maniology.com. It'll be linked in the description box below. I'm just taking that. Usually I will use a nail stamper, but this was so small. I just used some nail tweezers, slid the remove the excess water from the decal, slid it off the paper, and applied it with tweezers, and I'm just pressing that down. Now I couldn't leave well enough alone. I felt like there was that space behind the decal was just too naked, so I cut out the other one on the sheet, sprayed that with water, and then look at that, y'all, I got the barcode. I got part of the barcode on there, and I was like, wait a minute, I went to put that on my nail, and I was like, wait, let me go and snip that barcode off of there. That's why you gotta pay attention. You know, put a barcode on your nail or somebody else's nails. But I applied more Maniology sticky base coat, and then I'm just applying that second leaf decal. I thought it brought in the brown of the nails along with the yellow color. Who knows? You know, I got to just be putting stuff on my nails because I just like it. And then instead of trying to put it on a gel top coat or anything like that, I'll apply 2 coats of Maniology smudge free top coat just to kind of seal that in. Again, did it last all week? I don't know, because I can't say I don't know. I don't know if it will, because these popped off the next day. Or I popped them off. So guys, here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil after you finish your mani. I'm just using some Graham's Ridge apple cider cuticle oil that I have that I need to use up, and I'm just going to moisturize that, massage that into my cuticle area and skin, just to rehydrate my skin and nails. But guys, you have to let me know what you think. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. I do respond to commenters, by the way. So I will insert 2 pictures, one without the stickers. It was just dip top coat, and there we have it here, and the next one with the stickers. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.